Alright, what's up guys? So, as you know, we have this beautiful 2J sitting here that needs piston rings and just an overall, like, gasket refresher. So, and also, we got Berkey's Cressida in the trailer still. We gotta go get it. Yeah. Cressida, 2JZ. Seems legit. The 2J life. Let's go. Let's go get this beautiful CX Racing turbo manifold that we found off Craigslist. $100 the kid wants. We're about to go drive. I don't even know how long to go get it, but it's gonna be worth it. And we're gonna do some turbo 2J Cressida things pretty soon.
Oh yeah.
All right, so we just met the dude at Rockwell Skate Park. There's mad kids over there ripping dirt bikes and shit.
No idea what's going on.
Yeah, there's like, I don't know, there's like a big ass crowd of people and like a bunch of rice, so we just parked over in the back to avoid any trouble, but
Brand new compression gaskets.
we got the manifold here.
Seems gorgeous.
Brand new gaskets, brand new manifold. He said he didn't use it.
He didn't use it. It would be purple in all different colors.
CX Racing. Everyone thinks that CX Racing is eBay, but CX Racing's pretty legit.
Nice,
they have proven themselves in the Formula Drift ring because they sponsor, I think Matt Field is sponsored by CX and his car fucking absolutely rips. So there she is, the 2J manifold.
Little rusty. He didn't keep it stored properly. That's like the only thing.
Looks good though.
Oh, yeah.
It's ready. It's ready to rip. Twin scroll fucking manifold style. So there it is. There's the 2JZ turbo manifold, the legit kind.
Fuck.
Here, you can explain what's going on.
All right, so we went out for a little cruise down the road, and Dylan's car might have ran out of gas because it's just puttering. We didn't check in the fuel cell, but he's stuck at the bottom of the driveway, so we're gonna try a stupid fucking method to try to get it up.
Oh, fuck, there's too much weight on here, dude.
Brendan's car is slammed right now.
It is, because we're fat.
But we're gonna sit on the back of Dylan's car, me or Ryan or either Berkey, and then put our feet on Brendan's bumper.
Oh my
and
God.
Then hopefully Brendan can propel us up the driveway.
This is gonna be sketch and someone's gonna get squished.
I mean, I pushed it all the way back with Brendan's Miata.
Literally.
Sit like this, feet on bumper. If we have 3 people, I think it'll work.
I'll try and get in the middle right here.
I did that for 2 miles.
Yeah.
Oh, Brundy. Where do you put your back, dude? It's getting like taken
like
out.
right there. Here, open your trunk. Or give me your key so we can open your trunk. Oh yeah, shit.
I think you ran out of gas, my friend. Where are you putting your butt, dude?
I'm gonna put mine right here.
On the bumper?
Yeah, I'm gonna use my back card back. Oh my,
We're gonna get squished, I
we're
think.
gonna push his front flip off.
Oh no.
It was working.
It was working.
Yeah,
and
go
you
back. You gotta get straight with us. Cause I don't wanna crush your light.
I hope we don't crush the bumper.
I don't think we will.
Go way back.
Like, go like this, like right there. Keep going. There you go.
Cut it left, or cut it right. Try and get as straight as possible. It's hard to do maneuvers like this. If he dumps it, he'll squish us. That's why he's not,
Yeah.
he's like trying to stall it almost.
Yeah.
He'd
Oh,
rather
you'd have
stall
to.
it than squish us.
Keep going.
Oh my God.
All right, go ahead.
Oh shit, go, 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 go. Oh my God, it's Berkey. Fuck, I'm falling off. I'm gonna get squished, I'm falling off. I'm gonna get squished. Oh, he's drifting. Oh, oh,
My back.
oh shit, dude. I smell something burning.
That's it. Yeah, it's just crushed. Oh, my back.
He was spinning too, I don't think we can do it. Let's just try and push it.
Fuck.
Let's go get a tire and put it in the middle.
All right, so we basically got squished.
Yeah.
So, he's gonna
Your
give us a
back got
ride.
squished, then your knees let off, and then my back got
I had to
squished.
jump off, so we're gonna go back up, get my Auto 240, have everyone sit in the back of it so we hopefully don't spin and then try to push it out.
Here, Cam, get back in the front. Who was in the front last time?
What?
Shit. I'm just trying to get dragged.
Squish his top.
Okay. This is a good taxi. Our driveway's a wilderness right now.
It really is.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, dude. She's not happy.
She pulls.
Oh, Berkey's jogging now. Oh, what the fuck, dude? Ah. Oh shit, that's my phone.
Did you lose it or did you catch it?
I got it right here. Oh shit. This is what it's like to drag on the back of a car.
You got a sick picture of that car right here.
Oh my god. Oh shit, I'm gonna fall off.
Scrape.
Oh no, dude, we're good, we're good. We're gonna scrape here though. Oh yeah.
Oh, right here. Oh wow.
Oh my god, dude, this is... we have overloaded this Miata.
Oh no. Oh no.
Bad, yeah.
Oh my god. Damn it, we took it off for the G27.
Right. It's not easy, or it's not hard to go get it.
Are you serious? You're gonna drive like that?
Yeah.
Brendan, rev it to 2K.
No, I'm not gonna drive like this. I'm gonna go get the wheel. Alright, I'm gonna
I just watched a mouse.
You watched the mouse?
I watched a mouse go from right here and like, there's a mouse right in your fucking car.
What a bastard.
Dude, that happened to me one time
Just
with
hold
Alexis.
it at 2K and charge it like
I swear to God.
Where's the mouse at, dude? I bet when the car fires up.
He'll run out.
Oh yeah.
At least this car doesn't tear up the driveway. You have 8 people.
Look at that. One screw literally all the way out.
Mm-hmm. I mean, it's tight, but I had a screwdriver. I didn't have the correct tool to tighten it, so.
Are we gonna try and push it or pull it first?
Or we're gonna turn around behind it anyway, so we'll try to fucking push it.
I'm not slipping off the front of the car.
They won't.
I'm not in gear and I'm not on the brake right now.
Yeah, that hill is holding you because the wheel's cut to the right.
Let's notice, yeah. Even lower.
Dude, it's working. It's working pretty good, actually. Hold that up for a second. I'm gonna jump in. Okay, here we go.
This is working so much better.
Oh, the 240. Shit. Oh, fuck.
Stop braking, you fuck!
Oh, shit, we're back here. Sitting in the back of Cam's 240. Pushing the Miata up the hill. Oh, yeah. Shit. Ha! Too much momentum.
There was no way to make that turn.
Shit, hold on.
Oh shit, hold up.
No, stay right there, Dylan. Yep, perfect. Oh, see, this is why we had to sit in the back.
Fucking get that shit, dude.
I'm in the back already.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. We got it, we got it. Berkey's literally propelling you with his feet.
Flintstoning it, I swear.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, come on.
Oh,
Shorty to the rescue.
the 240 is a nice little rescue car, dude. Oh, we're cranking now. Holy shit. Oh, man. We literally launched them. Back up a little bit, you ran the tires over. Alright. Let's put these here for a minute.
That surprisingly well, dude. This thing's a fucking rescue machine.
It is. It's got the torque with the nice flat tires.